Crafting is an art that has been around for centuries, and with the rise of social media platforms, it has become a popular form of content creation. With the success of viral DI videos, crafting has become a lucrative career for many individuals. It's not just about creating something, but about creating something that captures the attention of millions of viewers. YouTube has become a hub for DIY enthusiasts, and with the right technique and creativity, anyone can create viral content. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of viral DIY projects and reveal the secrets behind their success. We'll explore the fundamental elements that make a DIY project go viral and how you can apply these principles to your own content. From choosing the right project to promoting it on social media, we'll cover all the vital steps you need to take to create a viral DIY video. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this post will provide you with valuable insights that will help you achieve YouTube. 1. Identify your niche audience. Crafting magic. Learn the secrets behind viral DIY projects for YouTube success is an essential guide for anyone looking to make a name for themselves in the DIY community on YouTube. One of the most important factors in creating viral content is identifying your niche audience. It is crucial to understand who you are creating content for, their interests, and what they would like to see. By doing so, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, ensuring that your videos receive maximum engagement and reach. In this guide, we will delve into the various ways to identify your niche audience and provide you with the tools you need to create content that resonates with them. So, let's get started and discover the secrets behind crafting magic that leads to YouTube success. 2. Brainstorm unique, trending idea. Brainstorming unique, trending ideas is one of the key elements to creating viral DIY projects for YouTube success. The internet is filled with a plethora of DIY content, so it's important to differentiate yourself from the crowd. Spend time researching what's currently trending in the DIY space and take inspiration from those ideas. However, don't be afraid to put your own spin on things and think outside the box. Consider incorporating popular trends from other niches, such as fashion or beauty, into your DIY projects. Additionally, think about ways to incorporate unexpected materials or techniques into your projects that will surprise and captivate your audience. Remember, the key to success is to be innovative and creative, so don't be afraid to take risks and push boundaries. 3. Plan, script, and storyboard. Crafting magic. Learn the secrets behind viral DIY projects for YouTube success. Emphasizes the importance of planning, scripting, and storyboarding in creating successful DIY videos that captivate viewers and generate viral buzz. These 3 critical steps are essential components of the pre-production process and form the foundation of the video project. Proper planning ensures that the video has a clear direction, a well-defined message, and a compelling storyline that engages viewers from start to finish. Scripting helps to create a structured narrative and ensures that the right information is conveyed effectively, while storyboarding helps to visualize how the video will look and flow. Together, these 3 steps provide a solid framework for creating DIY videos that are not only visually appealing, but also educational, entertaining, and shareable. 4. Film quality equipment. One of the secrets to producing high-quality DIY videos that captivate audiences is using quality equipment. Whether you are a seasoned YouTube creator or just starting out, investing in the right filming equipment can make all the difference. With the right gear, you can create content that not only impresses your viewers, but also sets you apart from the competition. 5. Edit with precision and flair. One of the most critical steps in creating viral DIY projects for YouTube success is editing with precision and flair. The editing process is where you take your raw footage and turn it into a polished and engaging video that captures your audience's attention. To achieve this, you must have a keen eye for detail and an understanding of storytelling. When editing, pay close attention to pacing, transitions, and audio levels to ensure that your video flows smoothly. Additionally, try to inject your own personality and style into the video with creative editing techniques such as jump cuts, time lapses, and slow motion shots. Remember, The editing process is where you can take your content from good to great and make it stand out from the crowd. 6. Optimize video for SSI. Crafting magic. Learn the secrets behind viral DIY projects for YouTube success. Is a comprehensive guide designed to help aspiring content creators up their game on the world's most popular video sharing platform. One key aspect of creating successful videos that often goes overlooked is optimizing them for search engine optimization. This is where the 6th chapter of our guide comes in, which focuses on strategies for optimizing your videos for SEO. By following these tips, you'll be able to boost your videos' visibility in search results and attract more viewers to your channel. Some of the strategies we cover include targeting specific keywords, writing compelling titles and descriptions, and optimizing your videos' tags and metadata. With these techniques, you'll be able to craft videos that not only engage your audience but also rank higher in search results, ultimately leading to increased views and subscribers for your channel. 7. Add engaging titles and descriptions. Crafting magic. Learn the secrets behind viral DIY projects for YouTube success. Emphasizes the importance of adding engaging titles and descriptions to your videos. Your title and description are the first things viewers will see when searching for content, so they need to be captivating. A well-crafted title and description can entice viewers to click on your video and watch it all the way through. A successful title should be clear, concise, and specific to the content of your video. Consider using numbers, questions, or attention-grabbing phrases to catch the viewer's eye. Similarly, your description should provide a brief overview of what your video is about, including any key points you want to highlight. Be sure to use relevant keywords in both your title and description to improve your video's search engine optimization and increase your chances of being discovered by new viewers. By putting in the effort to create engaging titles and descriptions, you can significantly improve the success of your DIY projects on YouTube. 8. Market across social media platforms. One of the key strategies for success in the DIY YouTube world is effective marketing across various social media platforms. By sharing your content on social media, you can increase your reach and attract a wider audience. Start by creating a strong presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Share your DIY videos, images, and tutorials, and engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Consider partnering with influencers or running paid advertising campaigns to further boost your visibility. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to social media marketing. Make a habit of posting regularly and monitoring your analytics to track your progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. By mastering social media marketing, you can attract a loyal following and increase your chances of creating viral DIY content. 9. Collaborate with other DIY creators. Collaboration is a powerful tool in the world of DIY content creation, and it can help you achieve viral success on platforms like YouTube. By working with other creators in your niche, you can tap into their audience and gain exposure to a wider audience. Collaborating with other DIY creators also allows you to bring fresh ideas and perspectives to your channel, while also providing new insights and techniques that you may not have considered before. To get started, identify other DIY creators who share your interests and reach out to them to discuss potential collaboration opportunities. This could include creating joint videos featuring each other's content on your channels or even hosting live events together. By working together, you can create content that is more engaging and compelling, while also building relationships with other creators in your community. 10. Consistently produce quality content. Consistently producing high-quality content